In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for email newsletter topics fast and easy. Whether you're a seasoned email marketer or just starting, finding the right topics that resonate with your audience can be quite a task. But Google Trends is a fantastic tool here, helping you stay relevant and engage your readers effectively. Let's walk through this process together, so by the end, you'll be ready to brainstorm like a pro for your next newsletter. First off, start by opening up your web browser of choice and typing in Google Trends in the search bar. It's a widely used tool, so it should appear right at the top of your search results. Once you see it, go ahead and click on the link that directs you to Google Trends. This is your new playground for discovering what's buzzing around the globe. When you arrive on the Google Trends homepage, locate the Explore button. Clicking Explore opens up a whole universe of data insights and opportunities for crafting compelling newsletter content. Here's where the magic begins. Now it's time to get creative. Think broadly about topics that match the interests of your newsletter's audience. For example, if your newsletter focuses on business and marketing, type those words into the search bar. For broader appeal, you might consider topics like health, wellness, tech, or lifestyle tips. These are just examples to get you thinking. Type in one topic at a time to see how it's trending. Once you've entered your topic, you simply press Enter, and you're one step closer to uncovering trends. But let's refine the data even more. Google Trends allows you to set a variety of filters. You can specify your location to see regional interest and adjust the time range to capture insights over a year, or even the past 30 or 90 days if you need to catch recent spikes in interest. Choose the category to filter results by interest area, which is especially useful if you're focusing on health or tech. And don't forget to select the search type that aligns best with your needs, such as web searches for general trends or news searches for current hot topics. As you dive into the interest over time data, pay attention to trends with steady growth or upward trajectories. These make excellent recurring newsletter themes. Be cautious about one-time spikes, which might be best for special editions that focus on fleeting trends. You could spot something like a significant rise in interest for remote work tools, indicating a reliable topic for ongoing newsletters, whereas fidget spinners might pop up as a hot but short-lived trend. Lastly, take advantage of Google Trends' Compare feature. You can test several topics simultaneously, which helps you prioritize subjects with strong, consistent appeal. This is a great way to plan your newsletter content strategically. To wrap up, compile your list of observed trends, related queries, and even in seasonal opportunities for future campaigns. Use these insights to craft a content calendar that keeps your newsletter fresh and engaging, ensuring you're always offering value to your subscribers. Happy trend hunting, and may your newsletters be as dynamic as the world of trends itself.